Hello everyone. Today I want like to play The Sims 3 because it helps me be more humanity. But I need to connect with electricity from now. I will like something of cash game, not my game. And need this something called my job to done. Now, okay now. I will try to survive in The Sims 3. Okay, just okay. And let's start together. Now, it's my I will play in like this. And he will be something called bio not Fulatu because he used to die by hungry and new soul come to help him to not die with hungry. I need to take a shower. Oh, he nearly died. But I think we can call it to save him. I need to eat some snack that I can eat. I know it's many possible to help him. Just like some magician with eye green. Yeah, that I can is something called stranger. If you know what I mean. I will find something possible as I can. Now he good now. I want him to sleep. I try to make something like balance. Okay. He hungry and want to take a shower again. I think I let him to eat it better way. Normally, money is T55 and T25. I need to cooking dolly, but I need to not just been read over call for chat. No, not I don't do.
Evitanka, Ajinkalu, Patinugla, Toglet.
No, just let not let harm. I need to find some pizza. Oh,
Evitanka, Ajinkalu, Patinugla, Toglet.
okay, it's okay for me to rejection because I need some of pizza they have. I don't know, I get how you be.
Evitanka, Ajinkalu,
Some
Patinugla,
tilapia.
Toglet.
Okay, I just eat snack and take a shower for I do not die. Maybe I can buy something in the town, not in the home. And I need to go now. Okay, he will rest and I need to get to work and sell something what I can sell. Yankee again. Oh yeah, I need to find some new night cooking. And I'm gonna be at Southstone now. Okay, that's not bad. No, that's not this time. We need to find something to sell. Okay, this time I want to sell something like quick market or eat something to eat. Before I let you know what I can do. I will eat only bread, cheese, and ham. Egg with other day. Okay, I need to find job now. Yes, I will sell something like that to the market. For now, I've got something called ingredient for food. I forgot to buy something like that. Okay, just alert me. I need to go on now. I need to buy something like that first. Just fish catching, you know. Now, this hobby shop, I'm gonna go through that. Fishing fish. Okay, looking for me now. And you need to make money. And after that, I gonna find something to eat and I will end this part. Just find something to sell and working.
Gee, knock-a-fleam.
Need to try again before I go and eat snack. You know what I can do? Just one more time. Okay, it's online now. I want to find new work. I think I can remember how to get fit on my skill is not for fishing now and I need to some pizza eating no okay just go home from now I used to gain more fit but from now I don't remember it and now my snack is chicken I try to fix I don't know I have a fun okay just eat snack and it be fine I will repair them and get one of this part one and find something new I need to repair it for make me survive from eating now I will check what I have okay my honey is still be green and visit okay it's zero or just don't get something like that จัดแอดดีแพ้โอเคอยู่ภายในแล้วlater now I need nearly root now and I you eat some snack again and I will be let it we continue like just did part one I need to fix this before I get something to eat จะถ่ายเพียนoh no oh yeah I know how to deal with it okay I can have I need to eat some quick snack I will find a way to make your main course just want to do something like save for this part okay I want to save for this part Okay, now I want to finish this game. It's just minor and major. You know how what try video. Okay, goodbye everyone. I so joy with this, and I don't know who joy with me, but I think it's okay to stop now. Okay, goodbye. Let's see other part maybe tomorrow or someday.